Hello friends, this is PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya Dumka, Ranchi region. I'm from Standard 8 and my name is Shaur Kashyap. Over to.
My name is Chinmay Saswat.
We are here to present a big problem causing a big trouble to all of the aquatic life and human life.
Our project name is Solar Powered Freshwater Purification and Resource Recovery System. As we know that plastics are harming a variety of aquatic animals that led them to extinction. We humans and animals that takes waters from rivers and seas they are polluting them so much.
As he already said that the plastic are harming both aquatic and land life. In aquatic life, we count all the marine lives, and in land life, we also count we humans. Also, we can extinct if we don't stop this problem. We have to stop this problem, and to stop this problem, we made a robot whose name is Hydra X, and it also have an AI systems whose name is Hydra Core. So this will work as this is a side panel of our system. This have a solar panel, so it will not consume any external source of power, and it also have three dustbins that capacities are 1000 lbs per dustbin, and also have a dustbin which will contain metal. We also have installed a magnet that will extract all the magnetic components which are in the river thrown by us, and also have a divider so no aquatic life it do not harms any aquatic life, and it also have a safety system from the AI system, so if any of the living animals or organisms come in, so this AI system will detect them and stop the machine, and the workers in here will throw that to leave that living life to rivers or any landforms. Now he will explain.
And this is the front view of our robot. We made a rubber conveyor belt that takes all the plastics and metal cans that floats in rivers and seas and get them into all the garbage bins that are placed in a platform, and this platform is floating in water. There we add a jet ski that take platform and all the garbage bins go to where all the garbages are recycled, and when all the garbage bins are empty, our jet ski will come and placed like where it is before.
So, as we have explained you all things about this project, we hope so you like this video. Thank you.
Thank you.